Hello friends, today I will tell you a real life story about Andrew Carnegie. A long time ago, he was born in Scotland. His father was a handloom weaver, while his mother repaired shoes of neighbors to earn money to survive. There were days when his whole family slept without a meal. When he was 12, he saw his father's house and factory being auctioned in front of him. He got very sad that day and promised that one day he will become successful and provide all the luxuries to his parents. Later, his family moved to America with a dream to succeed. But there too, his father faced failures. Their new handloom business also collapsed. When he was only 13 years old, he left school and started working in a cotton mill in the blazing heat of the boiler room. But still was happy. He could do his bit to support his family. He later worked as a telegraph messenger and then in a railroad company. In every job, he gave his 100%. He woke up early before sunrise and worked until late night. But he knew to succeed, he has to learn more. So he started reading books borrowed from a local library, trying to gain as much knowledge as he can. Even in hard times, he was optimistic, told to himself that one day I will succeed, and that day came in his life in form of advice. Impressed by his work, his boss suggested him a business opportunity that required a $500 investment. He got excited, but soon realized he only had $50. At that time, his mother supported him. She mortgaged her house and gave the money to him in a hope to see her son succeed. And that first investment proved successful. He made a big profit. But more than that, he found a path for his future success. He started investing in business, and 30 years after that first investment, that cotton mill worker became the richest person in the world. He owned the biggest steel mill in the world, which produced more steel than the whole of UK. But sadly, soon his mother passed away. That day he cried a lot. He made all the money so that his mother would never have to face hardship. And now that woman was gone. So when he turned 65, he decided to leave everything and spend the rest of his days helping others. He donated 90% of his wealth to charity and opened over 2,500 libraries across the world. At that time, half of the library in US were built by him. He was a poor handloom weaver's son who was not much educated, who didn't have any money, nor had invented anything. Still, this man created a business empire now worth over $300 billion. His name is Andrew Carnegie, founder of Carnegie Steel Company. People now know that company as US Steel. If you also want to succeed in life, don't lose hope even during difficulties. Give your 100% in whatever you do, however small it might be. Never stop learning and growing each day. And finally, when you are successful, don't forget to share your success and bring smile to others in need. Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share this video.